In this question, ethanol will be reduced to compound Z. Compound Z is then oxidized back to ethanol and water. There are two types of isotopes in the molecule, hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 3. For explanation, I'm going to draw the displayed formula for all of them so that we can see which molecule contains which isotope better. We are going to start with ethanol. Question tells us that this sample of ethanol contains only one isotope of hydrogen, which is hydrogen 1. I'm going to label all hydrogen 1 using red ink. So this ethanol molecule will be reduced to compound Z by using NaBH4 as the reducing agent. All the hydrogen atoms in the NaBH4 molecule are the H3 isotope. Let's label all H3 isotope using the blue ink. I'm using blue ink hydrogen 3 isotope in square bracket to represent the hydrogen atoms that are used from the reducing agent. Reduction of ethanol will form a primary alcohol. Now I'll label the hydrogen atoms using blue or red ink to show that they are originally from ethanol or from the reducing agent. These two blue hydrogen isotopes were from the reducing agent. So compound Z contains both hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 3 isotopes in the molecule. Then, question tells us that compound Z is then oxidized back to ethanol and water. Oxidation of compound Z will produce ethanol and water. So ethanol is regenerated. Let me label the hydrogen isotopes. Oxidation of compound Z back to ethanol and water. Two hydrogen atoms will be removed from this primary alcohol. The two hydrogen atoms that are removed will form water with the O from the oxidizing agent. So in this reaction, I was removing this H3 isotope and another H3 isotope. So two hydrogen with one oxygen, one water molecule is formed. Some of you might have noticed already the choosing of hydrogen atoms to be removed is random. This hydrogen atom that is attached to the O must be removed so that we get a carbonyl functional group here in the product. But between these two hydrogen, any of them can be removed. This step that I'm showing, I removed this blue color hydrogen 3 atom. If the red hydrogen 1 atom is removed, the product form will be So the oxidation of compound Z back to ethanol and water will be a mixture of two types of ethanol molecules. One containing all hydrogen 1 isotope. Another one has a mixture of hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 3 isotope. Same goes to the water molecules which are formed. Some of them contain only hydrogen 3 atoms. Some of them contain both hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 3 atoms. Now let us check which statement about this final mixture of products is correct. A. Both ethanol and water contain hydrogen 3 atoms, which is correct. All these mixtures, all the ethanol and water contain hydrogen 3 atoms. So statement A is correct. Statement B, ethanol is the only product containing the hydrogen 3 atoms. This is obviously incorrect because water molecules also contain hydrogen 3 atoms. C, neither ethanol nor water contain hydrogen 3 atoms. Also incorrect. And D, water is the only product containing hydrogen 3 atoms, which is also incorrect because both ethanol and water contain hydrogen 3 atoms. So the answer to this question is